Somerville train station. We're heading to the city. This is my first activity since brain surgery, so we're really excited. It's finally not freezing here. Any famous words, Mr. Ryan?
Nope. Let's go to Chicago.
Let's do it. Alright, we're excited to go check out the city today and going on a boat tour. We just got off the train and this is Ryan's first time in Chicago, so we obviously have to go see the famous Chicago bean. So let's take you on a walk down there and let's see what we see along the way.
I told you to use your hands.
Yeah, I was telling Ryan, so I use my hands, I don't want to speak, and I took a speech class in between high school and my college credit thing, and they told us to use our hands. See me doing it already, and I think it's stuck for life, so.
Yeah, if you roll back that last clip, if it makes it in the video, cover her face, it's just a game.
Basically Italian.
It's like she's just spinning her arms like a helicopter. Let's go this way.
Quick little fun fact, most people don't know that Route 66 actually starts right here in downtown Chicago. Alright, we are here at the famous Chicago Bean. It is pretty busy. It is the first nice day in quite some time, and it's also Saturday, so if you're looking a little less crowded, maybe get here really early or during a weekday, but it's way too nice for us to stay inside today. So the bean was actually supposed to be created for the new millennial back in the 2000, but it actually didn't get started until 2004. It was supposed to be this futuristic look for the new millennial, but it wasn't actually completed until 2006, and it weighs about 110 tons, so that is one big bean. Quick pit stop for our boat tour, and we're getting some plant-based empanadas here in Chicago, and I'm super excited because y'all know I'm vegan and I love empanadas. Let's open it up. Oh, come on, Nicole. She opened the box, not quite sure.
Let's just watch this. God, it smells delicious.
I'm excited. Let's eat. Yeah, but which one is your favorite?
I really like the jackfruit one.
Yeah?
Yeah, we had it in Sri Lanka. That's when I was first introduced to it. And it's he tricked me the first time because he said it was chicken, and it has the consistency, and if seasoned the right way, it does taste like chicken. And this just kind of reminds me of it.
Yeah, it was really good.
It's really good. So we just got Peet's coffee. It's like a chain in the United States, kind of similar to Starbucks, but not as big. But the reason why we're talking about it is because we're so used to coffee prices outside of the United States, in like Sri Lanka and Thailand and Peru and stuff like that.
We totally didn't expect the total when we ordered two medium coffees.
Our American friends would be like, that's fine. But it was like $14 for two coffees, where everywhere else we're spending like $1 or less on like super nice coffees.
Yeah, and I'm
so
like,
it's just hard to swallow.
Yeah, and it's good coffee, but you know, I wouldn't say it's life-changing. It's good. I would get it if you were here. got here a little early this time. We did not miss it.
Yeah, we missed the last one, but that was because of Viator.
Yeah, totally gave us the wrong time. So we got here, it was literally pulling off. So we made it very early this time. So we got a front row seat of the tour so we can show you guys the good stuff.
Good shots.
This is where the full service bar is located. We should be set to leave in about 15 minutes. What's the name of the tallest building in the world? What's the name of it? Burj Khalifa is correct. That building stands at 2,722 feet tall. If you look to the top of Trump Towers, stack another Trump Towers on top of it. Wow. This will equal the same height of the Burj Khalifa. This is the Reed Murdoch Center, completed by George Nimmons back in 1914. The building, it is sheathed in that red brick. At the top, you will find some terracotta ornamentations of wheat. Back off and to our right, we will find the Chicago Tribune's Freedom Center. This is where they print their paper. The building's home to 10 Goss Metroliner presses. This is why we are known as the Second City. Not because we are second to New York, as New Yorkers like to say. It's because the first Chicago burned down in the year 1871. This is the second Chicago that we see today. We've got a population of about 2.7 million people, and our 270 surrounding suburban neighborhoods give us a total population of about 10 million people. Only bridge on the tour that operates on a vertical lift. If you look to the far left, you're going to notice a concrete counterweight, and to the far right, you're going to find the second. It's also the only bridge that is operational 24/7, 365. You just have to call ahead for them to open it. Back in 1990, this was the tallest reinforced concrete structure in the world for about 2 years until it was passed by Central Park in Hong Kong. It is the tallest building in the world that does not officially have a name. It goes by street address 311 South Wacker. 300 South Wacker has the mural of the river end of our streets. The red block in the center is just the biggest "You Are Here" sign. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you can see poking out of the 103rd floor, those 4 glass boxes. It's an observation deck known as the Sky Deck. On a crystal clear day, you can walk out to one of those glass boxes and see 4 states from up there. On the other side of this Great Lakes building in the year 1860, there is a temporary structure known as the Wigwam. And in that wigwam in 1860, we held the Republican National Convention. And at the time, an unknown candidate was nominated for president. Abraham Lincoln was nominated for president in 1860. He won the nomination by 2 votes because the state of Ohio changed their voting policies at the very last second. Peet's Pizza, how do we feel about it? Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
Let's see a thumbs down. We'll talk after the tour. You've heard of Blue Malnati's, Giordano's, pretty good. We've got Pizza at Uno, Connie's, Gino's, pure Chicagoan. We've got Pequod's, Pizza and Oven Grinder, which is not so much of a pizza, more along the lines of a pizza pot pie. Ladies and gentlemen, we're pulling into the dock.
Alright, this is the end of our Chicago architecture boat tour and an awesome fun day trip down to the city. So, hope you guys learned a little bit about some architecture in Chicago and some fun things to do down here. So, go ahead.
I was gonna say, definitely come. This was fun. First time I've done this, I learned a ton. There's a lot of history here in Chicago. Would definitely recommend doing it.
And we might be here for a few more weeks, so check out some more fun Chicago stuff coming up soon.
Keep an eye on it. Catch you later.
Another one bites the dust. Okay. And this is why I date him, ladies and gentlemen. Another one bites the dust.